Do you know many people are having trouble with customizing fish colors on their fish finder? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate Adjustment Bar. Use the arrow keys to highlight the adjustment bar and press the menu/Enter key to activate it. Step 2. Assign species colors. Adjust the color line setting using the arrow keys to assign specific colors to fish species. Step 3. Save color line settings. Press the menu/Enter key to save your new color line settings. Step 4. Select FishReveal. Select FishReveal to display fish arches and access its customization options. Step 5. Adjust sensitivity. Adjust the sensitivity setting to control the fish arch detail displayed on the screen. Step 6. Choose Display Palette. Choose a display palette that offers good contrast to enhance species differentiation. By following these steps, you should now be able to customize fish colors for different species on your Lowrance HOOK Reveal 7X. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lowrance users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.